without you. You shine through my gray sky like a light, boy. You made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing another hair review, guys. In this unit, it is from Amazon and it is a 13x4 lace front wig, and as you can see, it is a curly, I don't know if it's a deep wave or a lace front wig, and this is it, guys. This is how it came. So you has lace, a comb at the back, adjustable strap, and two combs on either side, you all. This one doesn't have a comb in the middle, so I didn't put it on. So you can see how it is looking when I put it on. Then we'll go right in and put this wig. So this is how it looks when plucking and all that stuff, guys, if you want. So this is the hairline. It could take a little more plucking, you all. So that is how it's looking, and as you can see, it came as a center part, but I ain't gonna wear this as a center part. I'll go ahead and add a little side part, like right there. Or you can add another part to the right. You can part it to the right if that's how you want to fix it, guys. So yeah. You can go ahead and do some right side parting if that's how you want to wear this unit. And this is how it looks in the back. So that is how it looks in the back, you all. So I'll go ahead and put the hair in a ponytail. Just put in a little ponytail, you all. Okay.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow.
I'll be using the bed head. I'll be using the bed head spray, you all.
I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me. Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines. Fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in 1,000,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me. I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky.
And here you have the cute, affordable bob wig UL. The only con is the front is a little thin, as you can see right here, you all. But other than that, it is a cute bob. It's 50 something dollars, so you can't beat the price, you all. The link is in the description. You can go and check it out if you're interested. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
But I know you won't believe.